This is a tutorial on finding and entering the space conditioning target data for your specific project location in WUFI Passive. In WUFI Passive, in a new file, if you're entering climate data from an Excel file, for example, the climate data will come into the file, but the space conditioning targets will not. Again, if you're using an XML file in the WUFI Passive database, they will come in automatically, but if you use the Excel file, you need to enter these manually separately. So you need to be able to find this different space conditioning target data. On the PHIUS website, there is a map of the different space conditioning target data per location. There's many different locations here. You can find your space conditioning targets either by zooming into the map to the location you'd like, or you can search at the top left-hand corner. Here I could click or search O'Hare, and it brings me to Chicago O'Hare International Airport. And what I see over on the left-hand side is now my different targets for annual heating demand, annual cooling demand, peak heating load, and peak cooling load. These get manually entered into WUFI Passive. So what I have here is 6, 3.6, 5.1, 4.4, 5.1, and 4.4. So now I take those directly from the online space conditioning targets map, which will be a link in this below the video, a link to that map, which can also be found from the PHIUS webpage. Find your location on that map and enter the space conditioning targets shown.